Welcome to New Car Latest Update, your go-to channel for the latest updates in the automotive world. Today we bring you an in-depth look at the 2025 Toyota Avalon, a masterpiece of design, performance, and luxury. Let's dive straight into its incredible features. The 2025 Toyota Avalon has been designed with a bold and sophisticated exterior. Its sleek profile, coupled with sharp lines, sets it apart as a standout sedan in its segment. Front view. The front view of the Avalon showcases a commanding presence. A large hexagonal grille, finished in a dark chrome tone, dominates the fascia. Flanking the grille are ultra-slim LED headlights that provide a futuristic look while delivering superior illumination. The redesigned bumper with integrated air vents ensures aerodynamic efficiency, giving the car both style and performance. Back view. As we move to the backside, the rear view reveals a perfectly sculpted design. The wraparound LED taillights stretch seamlessly across the trunk, emphasizing width and elegance. A subtle lip spoiler on the rear adds a sporty touch, while the dual exhaust outlets with chrome tips underline its performance credentials. The Avalon badge is prominently displayed, symbolizing Toyota's legacy of luxury and refinement. Interior view. Step inside, and the Avalon's interior welcomes you with top-tier materials and cutting-edge technology. The cabin is wrapped in premium leather with wood and brushed aluminum accents. The center console features a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system, seamlessly integrated with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and wireless charging. Ambient lighting sets the mood, while the ventilated seats ensure maximum comfort on every journey. The rear passengers enjoy generous legroom and reclining seats, making long trips a breeze. Right view. Looking at the right view, you can appreciate the Avalon's flowing silhouette. The gently sloping roofline transitions smoothly into the trunk, creating an elegant fastback look. The 19-inch alloy wheels with a multi-spoke design add a touch of sportiness, while the character line running across the side enhances its dynamic stance. Left view. From the left side, you'll notice the precise attention to detail in every curve and contour. The frameless side mirrors, body-colored door handles, and chrome accents along the windowsills exude sophistication. The low ground clearance emphasizes its performance-oriented design while maintaining a refined aesthetic. The 2025 Toyota Avalon combines luxury, technology, and performance into a single package. It's not just a car, it's an experience. If you're looking for a sedan that redefines the meaning of premium driving, the Avalon is the one to beat. Stay tuned to New Car Latest Update for more detailed reviews and updates on the latest cars. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.